It's all about me. What to know about me. I am 22 years old in my senior year at the Mount. My major is history, and I am certified in early childhood 1 through 6. I live in Marlboro, New York, and I've lived there most of my life. And then in my junior year of high school, I moved to Palm Harbor, Florida, and for 2 years there, and I actually graduated from the high school in Florida. It was like end of the sophomore, beginning of junior year to Florida. Stayed there for my junior and senior year, and I have my high school degree in Florida. My family and I moved back to New York after I graduated in 2016, so July 2016 was when we packed up and everything, and then we've been back ever since. I went to Dutchess Community College for 2 years, and I got my degree in education there, and then in the spring of 2019, I transferred to the Mount. I am the only redhead in my family. I am the only lefty in my family. I'm Irish-Italian. I am a senior in college. I'm a waitress, and I am me. And there's, okay. The more you know. I am an animal lover, and I have lots of pets. I have a dog named Sadie, a cat named Gigi, a fish named Hank, a hamster named Blueberry, and 4 chickens. People often refer to me as the Little Mermaid because of my red hair and their love for the beach. They also call me KK because it's a lot easier, so I get both of them. I work every weekend at my local diner as a waitress, and I've been working there for over a year now. I started there as a hostess, and then they moved me to a waitress, and I've just been there ever since. I am a seashell collector, officially. I have a lot of shells that I've collected over the years, but I never know what to do with them, so I just kind of collect them. I got shells from Mexico, from Georgia, the beaches of Myrtle, Delaware, a lot on the east coast of the U.S., and a little bit of Mexico, but I just collect them, and I never know what to do with them, so they just I just have them around, so I guess you can unofficially say I'm a seashell collector. Things that I want to do. I want to teach in a classroom. Any classroom will do. It doesn't matter to me where I am, what year, who I teach. I just want to be able to work, learn, and grow with children. Because that is what I want to do in life. I want to be able to say that is my classroom. Welcome to my classroom. When everything is done, I want to be able to travel the world and visit places. I want to visit Germany, England, France, Scotland. I want to travel to Spain, Argentina. There are a lot of places I want to go to. I was supposed to study abroad this semester, but with COVID, it kind of ruined everything. So I'm hoping that once all of this is done and over, I'll be able to travel and do as much as I can before I really figure out what I want to do. I want to graduate this year with the best grades and the best attitude about everything. That way I'll be more motivated and more happy about what I'm doing, what I'm studying, and I think that just being motivated to top your grades from last semester to this semester just motivates someone. And then the end. And I just added pictures of people that mean a lot to me. So like my brother, me, my mom, my dog, my best friend, me, all my girls, my cat, and then my other best friends. So thank you.